Hello class 9 children. As you all know, we are doing in part B the unit that is data entry and keyboarding skills. So now today's topic is successful keyboarding tips. Up till now you have studied about what is a keyboard, then what are the various keys present on the keyboard, then how you should type on the keyboard, what should be your sitting posture, head position, all these things. Now next we will be studying about successful keyboarding tips. That means that certain points should be kept in mind if you want to be successful in typing on the keyboard. So first point says press the keys lightly. That means you need not put pressure on the keys. You should press them lightly with feather touch. This will involve that your keys are safe and they do not come out. So you should always press the keys lightly. Next is rest your fingers on the home row while typing. Now what is a home row? F, D, S, A, J, K, L. This forms your base or the home row. So whenever you are starting your typing, you should rest your fingers on the home row. This will enable you to learn the home row, plus on the home row you feel certain protrusions. So you can be able to make out without even looking that this is the home row of the keyboard. Now next tip says allow your fingers to fall naturally on the keys so that each rests on the top of the next key along the same horizontal row. So your fingers should fall naturally on the keys so that your finger rests on the top of the key and you can feel any protrusion on the key. The next point says while typing, release the key immediately as soon as you press it. So whenever you have pressed, you just release the key now. Holding the key for a long time, what will happen? You will type the same character again and again. For example, if your finger is on key A and you are holding it for a long time, so it will type A on the document again and again. So as soon as you have pressed the key, just release it. Next is do not look at the keyboard while practicing. See children, in this unit we are teaching you to learn the keyboard so that you are able to type efficiently without even looking at the keyboard. So make it a practice that while typing you are not looking at the keyboard. The next is press the keys with equal intervals of time in rhythm. This means that when you are pressing, suppose you are pressing the word press or keys, so K-E-Y-S, there should be equal interval of gap between pressing K, E, Y or S. So it will help you to type in a rhythm. Next is press the keys only with the fingers allotted to them. For example, your middle finger is allotted to another key, little finger with another key, index finger with another key. So use only those fingers to type that particular key. This will help you to adjust your hand to the keys and it will help you in learning the keyboard. The next says that while you are pressing a key, say slowly pronounce the character on the key. That means when you are pressing the key, say that character in your mind. This will help you to learn the keyboard. Next is do not take any mental stress while typing. Press it in a very light mood, no stress should be there. Then secure typing ergonomics. Now what are typing ergonomics? Typing ergonomics teaches you how you should sit when you are sitting in front of a monitor. How your back should be straight, neck should be straight, your finger and your elbow should be at right angles. So this will help you to sit in front of the computer for a long time without damaging the posture of your body, without causing you any health issues. So you should always follow secure typing ergonomics. Then next says that patience. If any mistake is committed, and obviously mistakes will be committed at initial stages, so do not panic. Do not hard press the keys. Maintain patience and you will be able to learn the keyboard slowly and slowly. Then maintain a balance between speed and accuracy. Now what is the difference between speed and accuracy? Speed means what is your speed of typing, and accuracy means that whatever you are typing is correct or not. So the balance should be between your speed and accuracy is equally important. Do not sacrifice accuracy for speed. See, if you are typing in a very fast manner but you are typing it wrong, then it's of no use. So there should be a balance between speed and accuracy. And lastly, to gain the mastery of keyboard, you should undertake repeated practice of typing. Type whatever you find in the newspaper, the sentences, passages, figures, without looking at the keyboard. This will help you to type in a very good way and help you to learn the keyboard. So children, these are the various successful keyboarding tips. I'll be giving you notes of this. Plus, now after this, what you have to study in your course is a software, that is touch typing software or rapid typing tutor, which is a software that enables you to learn the keyboard without even looking, and the version that you have to download is version 5.2. So rapid typing 5.2 version you will be downloading on your computers. So in this chapter we will be studying about this software, which is a touch typing software, that is Rapid Typing Tutor 5.2. That is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.